Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the Ps5 and your headphones ready. Put the headset into pairing mode and make sure the Ps5 is updated. This prevents profile mismatches. If your headphones use a proprietary dongle or a Bluetooth audio codec Ps5 does not support, plug in a compatible USB Bluetooth adapter now. Once done, go to Settings, Sound, Audio Output so you can select the right input later. This early check saves back and forth later. You now pair the headset directly with the Ps5. Navigate to Settings, then Accessories, and pick Bluetooth Accessories. The Ps5 scans immediately. Select your headset from the list and follow any PIN prompts. Most devices use 0000 or a single tap to confirm. If the Ps5 doesn't show your headset, plug the adapter and pair the dongle instead. Make sure to set the output device to the headset or USB device. You finish by confirming audio and mic settings. In sound settings, choose output device, adjust volume and microphone level, then test with game audio and a party chat to verify both sound and input. If you use 3D audio, make sure the headset profile supports it and toggle 3D in settings. If audio is delayed, distorted, or mic fails, restart the Ps5, remove and repair the device, or temporarily use a wired 3.5 connection. This often isolates Bluetooth codec or interference issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.